Hi up guys, what you can do if you have an unexpected error occurred Facebook. Don't worry about it, we have that solution. Firstly, what you need to do is just simply get off from your Facebook and go to your settings on your phone. When you're on your settings, you need just to go for applications when you're scrolling down, and right after that you need to go for manage applications. Firstly, you need to go and search for Facebook right on the search box, and then you need to scroll down and go for clear data. Now you need to go for clear OK. Go OK. Then you need to get up and go to your Play Store, go to your Facebook, and here you need to go and uninstall your Facebook, and then you need to get up and download again the Facebook application with the latest version, but this problem will be fixed. I hope that helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.